it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be using the Gemini palette again. If you guys haven't already seen my other tutorial, well, kind of not really a tutorial, it's more like a get ready with me first impressions video of this palette. I'll link it right here for you guys. But this is the Gemini palette by Melt Cosmetics. If you are unfamiliar with it, it looks like this. It's this gorgeous palette with a bunch of these olive greens to these more of like nude beige colors. So today's I'm going to dip into the nude side of it, and because I already did the other video on the greens, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of green and a little bit of nude, but mostly nude. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face using the ColourPop Amethyst primer. Let that sink in, and then I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I'm going to be using a Luxie double-ended brush today, so it has the blending side on one side and the eyeshadow side on the other. So I'm going to go into, the very first color is, let's go into Lori, so it's this mustard yellow color, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. So if you are unfamiliar with Melt Cosmetics pigments and colors, pigmentation and colors, oh my god, they do have a lot of kick-up. They're just extremely pigmented, so that's kind of a good thing and kind of a bad thing, because it's kind of wasted product, but at the same time it's really, really, really great pigmentation. So I guess you just have to take the bad with the good. But you see how pigmented they are? They're crazy. I love them. Now I'm going to go into the other side, and I am going to go into the color Polka Dot. So that is this brown color right here. It's kind of like a very warm brown. And then I'm going to go back into Lori and just blend those two colors together. And now on a pencil brush, so this is my pencil brush, it's my mermaid brush, I'm going to go into the black that is in the palette, and I'm just going to put that on my outer corners. I'm going to do the exact same on the other side, and I'm just going into the crease color and just blending them all together. And then I'm going into Polka Dot, and I'm just putting the color back all over the lid. And then once you have the color at the point that you want it, I am going to go in with some of the shimmers. So there's a really pretty color in here that is called Gemini, and it is this kind of goldish color. It's a shimmer, it's really pretty. So I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to add that all over the inner corners. I'm just going to go in on my finger, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. Now on the other side, I'm just going back in and adding the color Lori to my crease again. Now once you have the shimmers on, you can clean up your eyes. I like to just clean them up with a cotton round, and okay, whatever. And I'm gonna now go in and do all of the face makeup, so the foundation and the powder and the bronzer, but I'm not gonna do that on camera just because you guys know how to do it. You've seen it a million times. And then I'll come back and I will finish the eye makeup with you guys. All right, so now that you have your full face makeup on, you can use whatever foundation you want. I use the ColourPop No Filter foundation. I am going to go into my palette again, and using my blender brush, I'm going to go back into that Laurel color, which is the color we used on our crease, and I'm going to smoke that underneath my lash line. And then I'm going to go into that polka dot color, which was that brown, and just put it on the outer and inner corners. And then I'm going to go into that shimmer and just pop that right in the center. And now I'm going to go into the Physicians Formula highlighter, and I'm going to add some highlight to my cheeks. So once you've highlighted your brow bone and your inner corners, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of eyeliner and just do my bottom. And now I'm gonna go in with the Butter London Double Decker mascara, and I'm just gonna coat my bottom lashes. And the last thing that I want to do before I use the setting spray is I'm just going to go in with Baby Bath Beauty's gingerbread cookie, and I am going to add just a little bit of this burnt orange color to my lips. I love this color and it goes perfectly with this eye look today. So the last thing that I want to do is I'm going to add some setting spray. So I use the NYX Dewy Finish. And then that is the finished look. So it's a completely awesome palette. I love these pigments. I love these colors. It is absolutely gorgeous. So you have all of the greens and then all of the nude-ish kind of, oh my god, my nose is so itchy. These nudes kind of colors, and they're really gorgeous. They're really pretty. You can get so many different looks with this palette using these shimmers twice. Like you can use half your lid with the green shimmer and half your lid with the beige one. You can do so many different looks. I've done 3 looks now with this palette. I didn't do the second look on camera. Oh my god, hold on. So it is a very expensive palette if you don't live in the US. In the US it's $58, and then I'm not sure what their shipping is for the US, but I know in Canada it was about $11. But I think this is a really gorgeous palette. It's really fun, it's really pretty. The pigmentation is amazing. The quality of the shadows is absolutely amazing, and I've just absolutely loved every single look that I've come up with. I've done 3 now. I didn't do the second one on camera just because I was doing it before I went out to a movie with my boyfriend, but this is the one that I decided to do today, and I think it's really gorgeous. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy my video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. I have been posting Halloween looks, so if you guys are new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please make sure to check them out and subscribe. But I will see you guys at my next video. Bye.